ChatGPT can write essays, code, and answer questions. But how does it actually understand language? In the next 6 minutes, we're breaking down the magic behind large language models in a way that finally makes sense. An LLM, or large language model, is an AI trained on billions of words from the internet. Think of it like a student who's read millions of books. It learns patterns, how words relate to each other. ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini are all LLMs. They don't truly understand like you do, but they're incredibly good at predicting what word comes next in a sentence. LLMs learn through a process called machine learning. Trainers feed the model massive amounts of text, and it adjusts itself to spot patterns. Then comes a crucial step: human feedback. People rate responses, showing the AI which answers are helpful, harmless, and honest. This fine-tunes the model to be useful and safe. It's like teaching a child through correction and positive reinforcement. LLMs don't see words, they see tokens. A token is roughly 4 characters of text. When you type "Hello, how are you?" that's about 6 tokens. The AI processes these tokens through neural networks, performing millions of calculations to predict the next token. It's building your response one word at a time, incredibly fast. That's why responses feel natural but sometimes make surprising errors. LLMs can't access the internet in real time, remember past conversations, or truly reason like humans. They sometimes hallucinate, make up false facts confidently. Researchers are working on better models, longer memory, real-time data, and reasoning abilities. The future might bring AI that understands context like we do. The field moves incredibly fast, so stay curious. If this helped you understand LLMs, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI explanations. Drop a comment: what would you ask ChatGPT if it were 100% accurate?